I'm working on a touchscreen controller with VitalVio. And it's a better name. So, for those of you that don't know, VitalVio is a biomedical engineering firm. They just started up a few years ago in downtown Troy. Now they're in the Makerspace Graphic Center. Pretty cool space, pretty cool company. They're designing a product that essentially, using only visible light, can disinfect any surface. The practical applications for hospitals or for food industry and things like that. And they're currently working on a prototype. And so they were looking last summer for somebody to work on a touch screen device that could be used as like a light switch, basically. And the switch is about the same price, actually, as just a standard wall switch. And it's capable of doing a lot more. It's able to control LED lights that can change colors. They can do the disinfection wavelength. And so Nick Guthrie started this last summer, and I started picking up this semester. And so the project itself is actually a graphics framework for a touchscreen interface using a Qt graphics library, TSP, and C++. It runs on a Linux ARM processor, and so I've been working with this semester. I've actually run into a lot of issues this semester with setting up my development environment, which is why things have been going as smoothly as I would have liked. In order to set up my development environment, I had to install a toolchain and compile Qt from scratch using that toolchain, and it's not working still, unfortunately. I'm still working on it, to work, and we'll see how that goes. And so the purpose of this project is because touchscreens are becoming very common. They're very useful for like any sort of user interface. They're very interactive. They're very easy to use. And the purpose of using a touchscreen for lighting control is that it's actually very reasonably priced compared to a standard light switch. And it also provides a great control for VitalVio's lighting system because they use Philips LEDs. And so this framework will hopefully provide rapid prototyping for touchscreen interfaces in the future. And so this is actually the device. I wish it was on in the picture. Unfortunately, it's not. But this is what I've been working with. And so far, what I've learned a lot about how to use Linux. I've learned a lot about compilation, and I feel like the really big thing that I've learned this semester is that, like, definitely for those who are new to RCOS, you learn by experience. So if you ever have hesitations about joining a project, and you think that you're not prepared for it, just go for it anyway, because you'll end up learning a whole lot. And yeah, things don't always work out the way you expect, but just keep going. And so the next steps for my project is to continue looking into why my development environment was set up properly, and hopefully that'll work. If it doesn't, I guess I'll address that later. And so thank you. Are there any questions? Thanks to the usual suspects and VitalVio.
What are prices for touchscreens versus regular light switches?
I don't know the prices off the top of my head. I was told by VitalVio they would vary, or it was actually slightly cheaper, I think, for the touchscreen.
Does that also take into account the processor, circuits, etc.?
I don't know about that.
What's the survey?
I've been working with Nick and VitalVio actually on this project, and I've still gotten stuff. Part of the issue is that VitalVio hasn't created a